I just cut my camera, my laptop off, and like I just told my laptop right when I cut it off, that's when the train gotta come around. Let's see. We gotta bring out the train. Yeah, put this one. That's if he comes around. Let's see where the car at. Look, even the cat's running. See, even the cat's running off that stuff. Like I said, these people out here in Fresno, California, they're doing criminal fucking activity out here. Oh, they're gonna do to that lady. They're gonna do to that lady. They are Tweaker lady and that dude. That's that Tweaker lady and that dude. Let's see where the car's at. Alright, so where the car's at, probably at the top of the car parking thing. Ah, shit. Ah, I can't stop itchy. Ah, so now the train ain't gonna move. They gotta just stay there, idle down. They know I'm recording. I'm recording. But like I said, this is what they do. And this how they... Oh, shit. They're gonna fax my unit guy. Okay, so the train ain't gonna come out, like I say. The train is not gonna come out because I got my camera on. And then, like I say, the people they know when I'm about to get up is because they start honking on the car horn, beep, 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 beep. That's to let everybody know that I'm getting up. And this is where the cars are basically parked at. And then we got security guards who supposed to be patrolling these parking things. But all the security guards are paid out by the cops. That's the reason why the security guards are always mad, because one minute the cops are paying, next minute they ain't paying, and then one dude said that he got kids, that he really could need the money and stuff like that, and one minute the cops are paying the drugs and then whatnot, and the next minute the cops stop paying, and the next minute the people are mad. The security guards are mad, and then that's when they take it out up on some of the homeless people out here. But that's where the cars are basically parked at. They're basically parked inside that parking stall. Like I said, we got security guards who supposed to run the cars out of there. But the cops are paying them a little bit of dope here and there to keep the cars in there. And when I move or whatnot, that's when you get the cars. Like that one just, it's the lights like boom, boom. Yeah, but that's what the cops are doing out here. The cops paying out the people just to harass a dog. The cops out here in Fresno, California paying out dope. Oh, and wait, one more thing. Where's the train at? Stay tuned where the train at. The train haven't even made it yet, but it's just sitting there idling down right now. But it's nighttime. And the people that go to the Parrello house, like right now, when we seen the people going over there to the Parrello house, what they're going to do is the people are going to coach them. And then that's when they come back with some kind of smell that smell like chemicals. And then that's when, if you got two dogs around you, the dog is going to start getting hot. And that's when you're going to start hearing. And that's when you're going to start hearing plastic bottles start popping. But this is in Fresno, California, where the cops are paying out. Where the cops are basically playing out meth out here under her. But the train is over there idling down. Where's the train at? It's over there idling down. You just got to wait for the train. Look at that car who was doing his little headlights. Another car who was doing his little headlights. No Mexican motherfuckers. But where's the train at? The train's idling down. The train is over there waiting for my camera to go off. And right when my camera goes off, that's when it's going to go burn, 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 burn. And right when it go burn, 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 they're going to line up right over here. They're going to line up right over here. Right over here, and that's when the train going to pass that way. And that's when they're going to sit right over there and start idling. And then that's when the can bottles start popping. The birds start chirping, and this is nighttime. And birds start honking like you just seen a cat running. Like I said, these cops out here, the Fresno Police Department is out here giving out dope. Straight drugs out here to keep all this stuff out here quiet. Like I said, you know how you can tell that they're trying to keep all this stuff quiet? Beep, 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 beep. They're warning everybody out here. I'm getting up with my camera. Everybody start moving around. And then right when I get up, that's when you see AT&T pass by at a high rate speed, whoosh, without no lights on. And that's when you see another car, whoosh, flying without no lights on. That's when you see an undercover cop flying, whoosh, without no lights on. And this is how the people out here are getting dope, getting drugs, fentanyl, heroin. I show videos of fucking boxes of fucking needles. Boxes of fucking needles that the cops are just pouring out to these motherfuckers just to keep all of this game quiet. Just chunks of dope here. Chunks of dope. And we seen the cops leaving the Parrello house. Black and white undercover cars just leaving the Parrello house at a high rate speed because they just gave out the mess to the people. Just smash. But we're about to download this video.